This is how you remove a tire on a Ford Transit. You need your wheel brace and you just slot it in there. I've removed the covers so you can see it. And there's just that sprocket there. So to put this put that in there, and you just start turning it anti-clockwise to drop the wheel. And when it's fully on the ground, you can come in and undo your plastic wing nuts, which I'll show you now. So you just slot it through like that, and you just push it through, and then you just drop your wheel on the ground, and then you can just pull it out. That's how you remove your spare tire on a Ford Transit.